Good morning. Well, it is a nice, cool, rainy morning here in Texas. And I figure now's a good time to change this filter. Because in a month, it's going to be really hot up here. So if you haven't done so yet, might be a good time to go up in the attic and change your filter. Now, if you have a 4-inch filter, you're going to want to do this every 6 to 12 months. If you have a 1-inch filter, you're going to want to do it every 1 to 3 months, depending on your living condition. But you might want to do it before it gets too hot. You all be careful out there.